Are you tired of your food getting cold at gatherings before you're ready to dig in? Say hello to the KPPTYUM Food Warming Mat, the game changer for any meal situation. In today's foodie world, why settle for lukewarm dishes? With this warming mat, your meals heat up in a snappy 10 seconds. That's faster than finding your phone charger. Ever stress over picky eaters? No more. With 4 temperature settings, 104 degrees to 212 degrees, you can make everyone happy, from the just warm sandwich lover to the steaming hot soup fan. If you're thinking, is it kid-proof? Absolutely. Thanks to its child lock and auto shutoff, this mat ensures only good vibes and warm food, making it worry-free for parents. Worried about countertop damage? Relax. Its raised feet design keeps your counters scorch-free, so feel free to party on without the stress. Did I mention it rolls up for storage? Perfect for those tiny kitchens or on-the-go adventures. Curious yet? Check it out through the link below and keep your meals hot and hassle-free. Trust us, your soon-to-be warm food will thank you.